Prime time. Alright. Then you want some caramel. Before you dance abroad. Gungu pea soup, yo. The recipe book is out now, you know. The link in the bio, you know. Yeah, man, the recipe book came out yesterday, you know what I mean? I'm sure now I follow the top chef, you know. Yeah, man, big up in a mystery goddess. We have to keep it clean, you know. That's how it was taught, you know. Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know. The recipe book, the link in the bio. More and more. Bless up. Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know. This is the kitchen, you know. Welcome to the kitchen. My name is Top Chef down the place, you know. The Jamaican chef, bad chef. Look at that. And the Top Chef just dropped a recipe book, brand new recipe book with my 5 favorite Jamaican recipes. If you want to know what my 5 Jamaican recipes are, click the link in the bio and you can purchase my recipe book. Look at that. Yeah, man, you have to, that's how I know it's good, you know, and ready. You gotta get rid of all the flour, you know, and then you knead it. You know, so everything can be dough, become a dough, you know. In the pot we have some gungu peas and we have some beef, you know. So gungu peas and beef with some water about 3/4. So we're gonna put all these stuff in it so it's gonna rise. So in the pot of gungu peas and beef, you know. Yeah, man, big up yourself. Yeah, the link is in my bio, Mystery Goddess. The link is in my bio, you know. My 5 favorite Jamaican recipes. I have it in that recipe book. The link is in my bio. It's called No Recipe Book. My top 5 Jamaican recipes. Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know. And thanks, you know, for the support. Yeah, man, so I make the dumpling first, you know. Alright, I want to make some spinners. I'm done, but some big spinners, you know? You can either make spinners if you want, you see me? Or you can make regular dumpling. Yes, people. Robert, big up yourself, you know. Long Island at the building. Melissa, thanks for the follow. Top chef in the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen. Look at that. So we have some gungu peas in the pot. And some beef, you know. Been boiling for like maybe 45 minutes now. And then I start put my stuff in it, like my dumpling. Today, now I cook some gungu pea soup. Now I'm in New York right now. New York City. You know what I mean? But you don't know we bring the island anywhere we at, you know? Yeah, man. I'm cooking some gungu pea soup, you know? The Jamaican way, you know what I mean? Melissa, big up yourself. Welcome to the kitchen. Yeah, man. You can feel free to share the live if you don't want, you know? Share the live and yeah? Yeah, man, you're in New York? Yeah, man. They're in the Bronx, though. New York, in the Bronx, you see me? You don't know we're all over, you know. Brooklyn, Queens, Gallatin. Yeah, man, we're there. We're there. We have vibes out in the Thursday evening, you know. No, so we don't come off at work and thing, you know. Alright. So you don't know, dumpling. So mine and some fertile. You see, we have beer gungu peas tonight. Beer peas, you know, because this is a gungu pea soup. Let that one bubble up. We living in a small world. Alright. I bad up there. I made so much yam, so I take. So yellow and nice. Yeah, man. No, I'm not season the dumpling. All me do, I put cornmeal in it and salt. That's all you need. You don't need no seasoning in the dumpling, you know. That day will come. Oh, you agree with me? I look for me get it. I get pound here. Yeah, man, this a yellow yam, isn't it? Cooking some gungu pea soup, Doreen. Big up yourself. Make sure you're following the page, you know. My new recipe book is out now. It's called No Recipe Book. The link is in the bio, you know what I mean? Go over there and purchase my top 5 Jamaican recipes. You can make it just like the top chef. Isn't it? So if you want to support the top chef, the link is in the bio. Click the link, support the top chef. My recipe book is out. Deep down in the earth. Alright, just rinse it off. Get rid of the dirt and everything there, you know? The corner, the kidney, the nappy. Yo, you know, I have to miss up my while ago. I do the thing backwards. Because we have the chocho, you know. This should have been the long time. But I never remember. When the wake up. Say nah, nah, never hang on. Frankie, big up yourself, you know. Apples, that's how it go. You know? Still get your mouth tight, bro. Where's there? Yeah, man, I put coconut milk in it, too, man. Yeah, man, after. There won't be no gungu peas soup without that. But put my coconut milk further down, you know what I mean? This is chocho. See? Dice it up. Yeah, man, at the top chef, man. Yeah, man, you know the thing, man. Without the coconut milk, you know, get the same taste, you know. And the coconut milk give it that distinct flavor, you know. Oh, go on. Big up all the warriors, them when die for a cause. Them the man big get rounds of applause. Yo, big up yourself, you know. Yo, big up from Miami, big up yourself, you know. You know the thing, you know. Properties by Felix, you know. Big up Felix, you know. I done the place, you know, the top chef. Look at that. Isn't it? If you know done the place, you know say done the place is an artist, you know. Isn't it? I may just start do some cooking. That's all, but an artist, you know, I do music, you know. So if you search, you done the place on YouTube or Spotify or them thing there, you see me music pop up. But you know what food we are cook. Look at that. Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know, Felix, you know the thing going, you know. At the top chef, you know, the bad chef in the kitchen. Isn't it? Yeah, man. Look at that. So you don't know, dice up with chocho, you know. Make sure you know like up the live, you know, and share it, you know. At the top chef, you know, we in the kitchen, you know. Yo, my recipe book is on the page, you know. The link is in the bio, you know, my new recipe book. Go and purchase that, you know what I mean? Cheap, cheap, cheap. You see me I say, you can cook just like the top chef. So my recipe book, the link is in my bio. Go support the top chef. I'm here the bad chef from Jamaica, you know. They're in New York right now. You see me? So chocho. Carrot. So if you carrot now, you have to scrape it, you see me? Make sure you wash everything, you know. Make sure you follow the page, you know. Share the live. Tap up the screen. Do something, you know. Comment, talk to me. Where you want to come from? Where your location? Right now, me in New York right now. Trish. Thanks for the following, you know what I mean? Thanks for the follow, Trish. Welcome to the kitchen. Right now you're tuning into the top chef, you know what I mean? The Jamaican top chef, look at that. I'm making some soup. Some gungu pea soup. Y'all call the peas pigeon peas. but we call it Gungu. With some beef, carrots, yams, dumplings, sweet potato, cocoa. You know what I mean? Oh, you come from Niagara. Yeah, man, a nice recipe, man. But big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, we know the place, man, but we can't pronounce it. Niagara. We stop trying. We can't pronounce it, but we know the place, man. Yeah, man. But you're there in Miami now. Big up yourself, you know. Gungu pea soup, you know. Yeah, man, just like how the ancestors used to do it. That's enough. Alright. Sweet potato, I put a small one in there because I don't want to full up the pot so much, you know. Yeah, man, for real, man. Big up yourself, man, you know. You know the thing, man. Isn't it? Yes, guys, the recipe book is out now. Link in the bio. As you click the link, you can purchase the new recipe book, my top 5 favorite Jamaican recipes. Now you can cook like a top chef. All you gotta do, get the recipe book. The link is in the bio. See that? Cut, wash. We have the cocoa. I think we just have a little piece of this one. The cocoa never good rasta. How far the wind blows. Cocoa not good enough. So I'm bringing it back at the store, you know. Yo, thanks for the following of the day, you know the thing going on. Yeah, man, thanks for the following. What's your name? Pamela, big up yourself. Of course, you Valencia, big up yourself, you know. Isn't it? Cooking some gungu pea soup. You know what I mean? Big up yourself. I think I one can I put in there, but just I brought them up. Yeah, man. Oh, Pamela, you're a chef, American chef? Yeah, man, you know. Welcome to the kitchen, you know. I'm the Jamaican chef, you know. The bad chef, you know. So now we're cooking some soup. But the way Jamaicans cook soup, we cook it with a lot of stuff. This is Gungu pea soup. Let me see if I find some. This is the beans that I'm using. You all call it pigeon peas. That's what y'all call it, pigeon peas. But this is what I'm using right now, you know what I mean? Yeah, big up yourself, Pamela. Big up from Lisa, big up yourself in Trinidad. Yeah man, so we're using this and beef in the pot with some water. You boil that for like an hour. Then you start to make some dumplings and stuff like that. You get your yellow yam. You get your sweet potato. Corn, carrots, and I'm gonna season the pot right now with like my I got some thyme right here. I got some scallion. Yo, big up America. I'm in New York right now. Yeah man. So we're gonna season the pot right now. So we already put our yams, dumplings, corn, everything in the pot already. Alright? You know? So now we got scallion, thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper. But you're not gonna burst the pepper and you're just gonna drop the pepper. You can get a good one, get a red one. Okay? You're gonna cook half of the onion. Like half. You know? You need the other piece, you know? So you need onion, pepper, and then that's where I'm at now. So just stay tuned, okay? Yeah man, big up yourself, Pamela. Nalisha, big up yourself, you know. At the top chef, you know we in the kitchen. But you know, at first you gotta keep your surface, the work area clean, you know. Alright. So now this is my garbage right here. Make sure you guys following the page. My new recipe book is also out now. The link is in the bio. You can support the Top Chef by purchasing that recipe book. You can cook like the Top Chef, you know what I mean? 5 of my favorite recipes in that book. The link is in my bio, guys. Alright, so now start with the scallion. So you cut off the end. Cut off the ends. Strip it, you know. So we're gonna wash them after, okay? We're gonna put them right there for now. Want some time? Time. You know, this pot, it don't cook fast. You gotta be patient, okay? Yeah man, you gotta keep the place clean, man, you know what I mean? A chef know that, a real top chef know that, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna plan the ends, but next time, okay? Alright. So we are gonna wash these. Searching for food for the pot. Alright, you see these now? Keep the time in the pot. You see it? You see this? You are gonna crush this. Get something hard. Me always use, me have something that I use to crush it right here. Crush it, isn't it? Put it in the pot. When you put it in the pot, you're gonna say, look at that. You see me? You see me? After that, get your onion. Never know onion can go into soup, right? Yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah man, big up yourself, you know. So you don't know you put the onion in the pot. Jamaica want the flavor, you know. Remember soup me a cook, you know. Scotch bonnet pepper, you know. But you're not gonna cut it or nothing, you're just gonna put it in the pot just like this, but you gotta wash it first, okay? So your scotch bonnet pepper. If you had some pimento seeds, you could put some pimento seed there. You know the pot to boil over. Look. God alone. So you know what the next step is, right? You're going to put your coconut milk. 2 cans of coconut milk. From Grace, you know? Authentic. The ingredients. See it? That's coconut milk and water. You see me? The ingredients. Show you this is soup, Gungu pea soup if you just reach, you know? So you open them in. Stir it up. Full of, oh, it smells good. So you see I got a lot of beans in there. You see that beans, the beef. Can't waste none of them things, you know, them precious, you know. So I go and look on them things they already in the pot, you know. Look at that, you know. Alright, what going on now? You want this, some all-purpose seasoning and a little salt, you see me? I'm going to go and see what I'm missing. Yeah man, big up Pamela, thank you. You know, I'm going to check out your page and see if I can learn something from your page, you know. You say you are American chef, right? Yeah man. I'm Jamaican, Annie. Jamaican, you know. Look at that. Got Jamaican chef in the kitchen right now. Yeah, man. What you say, and at least a little sugar? Yeah, man, you know the thing, you know. Yeah, man. Kush Queen, big up yourself. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing, though, you know. Jamaican in the kitchen right now. You don't know. Look at that. Look at that. I never season it up yet. You say it's full of flavor. Start trouble, you know. There's trouble when this done, you know. Say I may not be the greatest baller, but you love me more than Billy and they go Maradona. Yeah. Yeah, man. Thank you, Lisa. Kayla, big up, you know. Hope you guys following the page. Well, I would say maybe a half an hour left to cook, you know what I mean? So you want everything to be cooked, you know what I mean? The seasoning to what would you say? You want the flavor, everything to come out in the soup, you know? The thyme, everything, the scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm gonna season it. I'm not finished seasoning it as yet, you know what I mean? So I put some of this, some all-purpose, some salt. That's it. You see me? Crack the pot. Pot up bubbling, a trouble, you know. See that? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that's the word. That's the word. I want it. Yeah, yo, I got a lot of chef in here, man. Yo, big up on yourself, you know. And I hope I see you guys more often, you know. Follow the page, you know what I mean, and get the recipe book. If the link is in the bio, you know. Trouble, you know. So right now, this you know, is when you get the chicken soup, you know. I just the flavoring more because I don't like the, yeah, I got noodles in it, but I don't like the noodles, so I take the noodles out. Let me see if I get a strainer right now. Can you even talk to me? Oh dear. Look out. You see, look at noodles. They just put noodle in the damn thing. Too much noodle gonna make the soup too thick, you know what I mean? I don't want the soup to be that thick. I already got the beans in it already. You know? This is all they got in the soup, you know? Have some pumpkin flavor. That show, man. Yo, thanks for the following, okay, Kayla. Big up yourself, you know. Make sure you're following the page, you know what I mean? Feel free to share the live. Feel free to tap the screen up a little. Yeah, man, feel free to purchase my recipe book. The link is in the bio. Yeah, man, big up Kayla, you know. Welcome to the kitchen, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, my name is Done the Place. I'm the Jamaican top chef. Yeah, man, the work, yo. What's your name? Leslie Minto. big up yourself, you know, and big up to the reggae girls, you know, the Jamaican soccer team in the World Cup right now. You know what I mean? Who create history. Yeah, man. Yeah, me don't like the pasta, man. You know, the pasta gonna make the soup too thick, man. You know, I hate that. So I always take it out. I need only the flavors, you know what I mean? Big up in Robert, you know the thing going on. At the top chef, you know. Yeah, man, make sure you know I follow the page, you know. Make sure you go purchase the new recipe book. The link is in my bio. Yeah, man, it's the flavor, just the flavor I need. I don't need all of them noodles. I'm not making ramen, you know what I mean? I'm making good, authentic Jamaican soup. Yeah, throw it right away. I don't have any use for it. You could put it in your rice, but I just throw it away, you know? Yeah, man, big up, man. At least I throw it, man, you know? But you can use it to do other things. Yeah, man, for real. You can change the pasta to any other kind. Let me just throw away the pasta still, you know? See what I go on to the pot now. You can tell for the peas cooking just by how the spoon is touching it. They're rich, you know? Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know, Wellesley. Minto, big up. Make sure you follow the top chef, you know, Minto. Alright, for your next thing, this is how I get rid of the lumps. I just put some water in it. So you're not worried about nothing right now. You see me? Just throw this off in a pot and that's it. You know? Want some all-purpose season, isn't it? Just like a king. It's pulling me in. Damn. Oh, look at salt, bro. As long as you're standing there, it seems like I'm in a dream. I think not the way they seem. Sorry if I treat you bad, or if I ever make you sad. Didn't mean to get so mad. You're the best thing My God. Champagne and candlelight. I think I'll drop on the Maggie thing here tonight, you know. Finish it off with that, isn't it? Nancy, big up yourself. Yeah, man, a thick soup, this man. The soup I feel rich and nice, you know. Lee B, thanks to the follow. Oh, that you say? Well, Minto, good idea. You know it's not yours. Even though you got more. Picking up here. Yo, the stove. Wicked. Turn it down. Make it cool down first. Yo, the recipe book is... I got a new recipe book out now. If you want to support the Top Chef, the link is in the bio, you know what I mean? Click on my profile, the link in my bio, click on that. You can purchase my new recipe book, Top 5 Jamaican Recipes, okay? Now you can cook like a top chef, it's right there. Crush it up in there, no? See that? Soup, beef, everything. Peas, rich with flavor. Flavor with the Caribbean. Cook with love. Look at that at the Top Chef. So I give you 10 more minutes so the seasoning can cook out. And then you're done and eat that. Yeah man, I eat that man. I eat that. You don't have fire upon a weekend. Yeah man, the soup ready, you know. Yo, big up yourself, you know, mommy. You know what the thing going on. Yeah man, some gungu pea soup, you know, with some beef in it, you know. Look rich and nice. You don't know your coconut milk. Your flavor it, you know. Scotch bonnet, pepper, thyme. All of them things there, you know what I mean? Jevan, big up yourself, you know. You know what the thing going on. Welcome back to the kitchen, you know. You know what the thing going on. Some gungu pea soup up on the stove right now. We have to crack the pot. Turn down the stove, make it go and cook, you know. It's ready, you know, but we want it well done, nice and thing, you know. Yeah man, blessings man. Anne-Marie, big up yourself, you know. Welcome to the kitchen, you know. Hope you're following the Top Chef. If you want to purchase the Top Chef recipe book, The recipe book is, the link is in the bio, you know what I mean? Jah know mommy. That's how you go, you know. Yeah man, peace and blessings to you, man. Yeah man, big up yourself, you know, Anne Marie, and thank you, you know. Thanks for the follow, you know. Now you can go purchase the recipe book. Now you can cook like a top chef. You know what I mean? The link is in my bio. To everyone who want to purchase the recipe book, go ahead. Yeah man. The soup soon ready, man. So, you see me? See? This is soup. This ain't no Roman noodles. We ain't got no noodles in it. Rich and nice.
Everybody wants to read the band. Who you are going to blame it on when it's a next man? You are the pin pan. Well, you're wrong. Nobody want to plant the can.
Yeah man, the pot soon done, you know. Jah know movie. The kitchen smell good right now for real though, you know, right? But big up yourself, you know. You know the thing go. Yeah man. Want a big bowl for that one, you know. Damn, you bring that back. As long as I live, DJ Prime Time. Yeah man, sweet potato, what's the difference? The potato sweet. Yeah, I'm not sweet. Look at that. Lisa, big up yourself, you know. You don't know. Me have to go eat your share, you know. Look at that. Can turn down the stove now, make it go and cook down a little bit, you know. Yeah man. Where else Lisa? I don't understand. Yo, make sure you purchase the Top Chef recipe book, you know, the link in the bio, you know. Everybody been asking for recipe book. Now the recipe book is here. Please guys, go ahead. Purchase the recipe book if you want to cook like a Top Chef. Oh, that's the first time you seen a yellow yam? Yeah, back in the day when I was in Jamaica, I used to grow yellow yam, have to dig this, carry bags of this for miles. Now it's in America, it's so expensive, you know? But it's good. You know, this sweet potato. Isn't it? Sweet, you know? You have carrot, you have corn, that's all in the soup. Yeah, man. Feel the soup ready, I know, man. I'm a special dedication to all farmers. We live a sentence or in a Nova. Cause this is system can't be a farm grinder. This time when you go get them on the run Jamaica. And in Atlanta, I'm in America. And in Canada, I'm in China. It's named the Vineyard style, wicked and wild. The Vineyard style, wicked and wild. They want purpose and with animal party. And they want purpose with the human party. And they want called shopping with ocean party. Me say yes, I'm a jacket with the yard party. They keeping a dancing a stomping yard. Yeah. So we did a play was pro type power. Select up in the sound they want. Yeah man, yellow yam is nice, you know. It's good. It's grown in Jamaica. So when we say growing in Jamaica, you know, that about strong and, you know. You hear that? Listen. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh. See? Yeah, man. Wicked and wild. Wicked and wild.
Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention. You need no correction. May God pour blessings in your direction. You got my attention. What an impression.
Some big spinners in the neck, you know.
So long I've been waiting.
See, we can show them what I'm going in the pot really fast. And get piece of meat tonight.
The first time we kiss.
What's birthday cake?
And girl, we got a bright future in the making. Oh, when we are together, my heart feels so much better.
No, I get the time on them things. I'm going to take them out.
Whenever that we make love, I already got your take off. And I'm so glad that you're making mine. Oh, keep that precious smile on your face. God will keep you warm and safe. Make it worthwhile, just you and I with
I like a lot of things, you know.
Let's go family and make it great.
So I go on this up. Rich and nice, you know.
Anytime you need a lover, call on me. I'll be waiting. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. My heart is aching. Call on me. Anytime you want to.
Yeah, man. You can turn off you now. Show you what I go on in my plate you now. This is soup, okay? It's a gungu pea soup, you know? Yeah, man, you have some beef in it, you know? Some beef. You have some beef, very tender, you know? Take up a spoon. You have a lot of beans and stuff. You have your dumpling, your corn, you know? You taste it and see what goes on. Hot, you know? Oh my God. It's so good. Yeah, man, the soup bad, man. Just grab a spoon and squeeze and everything. Yo, Robert, big up yourself. Javon, big up. Lisa, big up. Yeah, man, you know the thing going on. Wife, you asleep. I'm married in a ramp, you know. No pig steal in my thing. Why for that? Gungu pea soup, isn't it? With some beef in it. Isn't it, I say? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, but wife you asleep, you know, man. I'm here to enjoy myself right now. So you don't know. The link in my bio, you go purchase. Or purchase the recipe book, isn't it? Big up in Anne Marie. Purchase the recipe book. Follow the page. You saying something? You see me until next time. We are link up back again in the kitchen. You see me I say? Big up on yourself. Me gone. Bless up Lisa. Until next time.